Every guy in this world wanna be in a relationship where we see big breast and wake up every morning and grab the breast and press. Every guy in this world wanna be in a relationship where he has big nyash, so every morning he grab the nyash and press.
Continue.
But in a procedure whereby the girl be like plywood nko. How do we manage? How do we manage? So that's why I'm dedicating this video to any guy dating a girl that is flat. To any guy that is dating a girl that his breasts have slacked. To any guy that is dating a girl that her breasts no dey. Now what I want to tell you, I say kudos to una. Now so una go take burning bedside.
Jesus is Lord.
As una just take the good relationship, make the thing no catch, because if the thing catch, na im bedside once. Thank you.